Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial where I'm going to show you practically how to use in the WiirngPi library under NetBeans C, C++, and also in the next tutorial video also Python. Alright, first of all, I tell you I start and install and start in my WiirngPi plus 2 the WiirngCi server and set also the X server to allow my desktop PC under Windows to show and work with it. As you can see here, practically this is my Armbian distro installed inside my WiirngPi. Very nice operating system, and I want to thank Rodolfo, Igor, and other people. And I'm sorry because I forget and I don't remember all the names, but very nice guys and men that works for the community. And I know they are busy. Many people ask for some troubles, but doesn't matter. Important is to ask to understand something, and then to develop and to be happy with this fantastic device. Well, first of all, I want to show you how to start NetBeans. I suppose you have already installed because in the other previous tutorial I did there are different example over how to install it on Debian Jessie, but it's the same also here is the same practically, and then how to use NetBeans. I suppose you already saw those videos practically. Allora, su cd home Walter downloads. I forget some cd NetBeans. Cd bin, this is the folder. Inside this there is the executable file of NetBeans. Practically I will start. I hope to start because sometimes also not possible to see in this WinC viewer, but I hope to start and I show you from Windows because I don't know how to record video under Armbian, but doesn't matter, now it's working. First of all, I want to show you how to set some plugin or bit or some choice to use and compile. Allora, it takes several seconds because it's the first time today start, but very fast. As you can see here in the other tutorial, in this case I have installed under tools a lot of plugins. I can program in C, C++, in Python, many languages. I am lucky because in my WiirngPi plus 2 there are 2 GB of RAM and I can directly work over the platform without using cross compiler, but I suppose that for the future I will do this. I will use the cross compiler. Alright, first of all, main C++, opening now, just a moment. Very easy this source because I got this example from WiirngPi folder, but I don't want to start using the command line, just NetBeans, very easy. First of all, you have to install here under tools plugin. If you are connected to the server, here available plugin, there are a lot of plugins. Don't install all because there are a lot of troubles and then many things are not necessary. Just type here C++, for example, and you will find on the left side all of the C++ available plugin. In my case, I have already made this job, and you can find nothing. Also for Python, you select and you install. After that, it's important to say, as I wrote on the Armbian forum, click right over the project properties. You have to set some very easy things, or linker here, libraries, under user, here add a library. Practically you have to add to library .so, extension is so, shared object is the practically is a dynamic library as the like the DLL in Windows. SO is directly connected to the device driver. So if you want to use this library by using the header file, you pass across this and then device driver. Okay? You have to add this one, is enough for this project, for this example. I add also this one because for the future I would like to do much more. Oh, practically, how many time here? Let me check how many time. Okay, 5 minutes. Practically, this is enough. Here, STDIO using namespace std to see out is the printf in C++, WiirngPi, and WiirngI2C. I would like tomorrow test something. Define LED. Practically, the library is cloned from Raspberry WiirngPi, and then the mapping is the same because WiirngPi has 40 pins, but inside the header file are not mapped the same. For me, difficult to understand, but anyway, I tried yesterday starting from the 0 to 39 or 40, all of the pin, and I found this one. Here, 29 is the last on the WiirngPi. We have 4 LED with a resistor. Okay. Let me check if this is correct. This is my WiirngPi, and there are also this one. So practically the WiirngPi setup is the main function which set up the pins. Pin mode and digital write are two functions in Arduino style, I mean, because this gentleman that work for this library, very nice man, wrote this and make a lot of porting for other operating system, other different language. So here, wiring setup, set up all of the board pins. Pin mode means that this LED, defined here as 29, is an output. This means that inside the hardware there are some hardware driver, buffer, set it to give output and not input. After that, it's like here in this space is like to be inside Arduino setup, and for infinite loop is the loop. Digital write means that LED high now, delay, blocking function 100 millisecond, write again low, wait again, and loop many times. Here delay is a blocking function. Practically when the program stop here, the CPU make nothing for this program, but I will do a porting from W system, building automation, home automation, from my project W system in Arduino 2. I will get some W timer and then use unlocking function. So I don't like this delay, but for the moment is enough to show if pins, drivers, and all the settings are okay. So let's start, and without talk for nothing, compile, and you will see here in the output window something, the result of your compiling. Build successful. You have to set also here something under options, and to be sure your compiler is compatible with the system. Practically here C++. Here you have all of the compiler, in this case GCC for the C language, G++, and much more. I want to use also the one when I found to for debugging with breakpoint. At the moment I don't have this possibility, but doesn't matter. Compiler, practically now you can see the LED is blinking at this frequency. I will check now. Let's check something in the program to show you this is not a fake. Stop, and to be sure when you stop, also here X, because possible sometimes to have more than one instance running. Stop here, but also check here if it's nothing is running. Let's make a modification, for example half second, you know. I make 1 second. Okay, save, compile, and start again. Build successful and start again. Now the frequency, as you can see, is different. This is working, right? I will do much more in the next days, because in Italy I have 5 days now holiday. We say bridge for holiday, 5 days. I will do more. Then practically stop, make the same in C language to see there is no problem, the library is compatible. So practically here, C, this is C language, build, change of course the compilers and under, okay, and run. This is C, okay. Okay guys, see the new tutorial, and I want to show you how this works also in Python. Very nice also Python, and I will do something. Okay, see you later.